Hello guys, so the topic for today's video is garbage collection in Python. So how Python handles the garbage. So what is garbage for Python? Python is blocks of memory management which are no longer in use. So it could be any unreferenced object. So in Python everything is an object, starting from a variable to a function to a class. Everything in Python is a object. So all the unreferenced objects which are no longer in use are garbage for Python interpreter. So how Python handles that garbage, so that we are going to study in our today's topic, which is garbage collection. So garbage collection is a form of automatic memory management where you are not supposed to handle the garbage which or the unreferenced objects which are there in the memory but of no use, but Python handles it on itself. So the work here is of the interpreter which does all this hectic for Python. So concept is to remove the unused unreferenced object from the memory location is called memory management. So now here we are introducing the Python memory management. Python's memory allocation and deallocation is automatic, which means you don't have to allocate or deallocate the memory by yourself or explicitly. It does all that stuff implicitly. User, like the second point, user doesn't have to pre-allocate or deallocate memory by hand, which is common in other languages like C or C++. They are also dynamically memory managed, but in Python that is done implicitly. Python uses two strategies for memory management. One is reference counting, another one is garbage collection. As you can see, reference counting was used until 2.x version, while garbage collection is a method which is used from 2 and 3 both. So what is reference counting? Python interpreter used only reference counting for memory management until Python 2 version came. Reference counting is a simple technique in which objects are deallocated when there is no reference to them in a program. Second one is garbage collection. So garbage collection in Python is done through two ways. First is automatic garbage collection and the second one is explicit garbage collection. Automatic garbage collection involves, after starting execution of a program, garbage collector program periodically runs internally. So while you are using the interpreter, after some time it is the work of the garbage collector program which runs internally after a particular time or maybe a set date or time, where it is responsible to check unreferenced object or less used object which has to be deleted. So whenever an object is going to be removed from memory location, the destructor of that class is going to be executed. In destructor we write the source resource deallocation statement. Explicit garbage collection, explicit means that you are going to do it. So the delete word we can run garbage collector explicitly. So you can write del in front of any variable and that's going to be deleted. So this is called explicit garbage collection. So if you have any questions regarding how or any keyword which you are not able to understand or not understanding from any other sources, do write down your queries below in the comment box. I'll surely answer that. And do subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day.